Annemaree, how did you go with the Bloom Sydney?
Loved it. Absolutely loved it. I've had the best time. I've never realised that I had even a little bit of that in me.
Wow.
But the other thing I want to say is I think Jackie is the most talented and giving person I've met, and she needs to be declared a national treasure.
Oh, you're a darling. Oh, you're a sweetheart. That's, God, I'm going to get a frame and stick that up on the wall with a live video that runs constantly, so I tell my family that.
You just have so much patience. It's great. I love it.
Oh, you're a darling. I'm really thrilled with what you've done. These are your first paintings?
Yes.
Well done. 2 paintings in 4 days from a totally newbie painter.
Yep.
And the second painting you've done in half the time than the first one. So, you know, I'm impressed with you. You were so patient yourself, and you know, a hard worker, no drama, and wonderful. So thank you, my ideal student.